just loading up some trestles and planks for a little job I have. I just need a couple of 6-foot trestles. I'm going to be using my step ladders, which are these ones here. So then I'll have my 2 or 3 planks and these 6-footers. Now they're steel, they're old, they've been with me since year dot. Pretty simple. Put that one up here. 1, 2, 3. Pop him in there. Put some weight on it. Plenty of room there, look. And we can go another one. It's not that tight yet. Right? We're going to go another one. 1, 2, 3. Pop him in the hole. No safety knots needed. We could actually go another one if we want as well, but there's a chance that I can break this rope because we're gearing it down so high. And we're going to do another one, only because I want to show you how it works, not because I need it. Okay, now that's not going anywhere at all, ever. Couple of half hitches. Everybody, I've just started a little repaint here. I'm just washing down. Now what I've done is I've put some 30 seconds on these hoods, and I'll show you what they look like before. This is the walls before. I'll show you the hoods before. So that's the hoods. Now normally you could probably just gurney that off, high pressure clean it off, but we're going to use chemical, which we've done. So that was put on about 10 or 15 minutes ago while I prepped these walls here. Clean those hoods off. Always make sure that your hoods are not included in your paintwork, and you think that's ready to paint, but no, I'm going to show you something here. You think I've finished and it's ready to paint. Watch this. You see that? That means I can't paint it. So all this needs to be washed again by hand. See that powder? That tells me that we don't want to touch these walls until they're washed by hand. So remember, don't paint over that. I've used the high pressure cleaner. It used to look like that, but now it looks like this. Even with chemical, it still doesn't do the job. It's still not good enough to paint. You cannot paint over that. Do not paint over that. It needs to be all gone, and it's pretty simple. It's really just a wet rag, just on a little ladder. Wet rag, fresh water, and just give these walls a scrub down now until they're free of that powder. So I'll give you a bit of a walk around this project of mine. It's pretty simple. It was taking me 7 or 8 days to do it. Bit of mould, stuff like that. Got all inside here. Got some peeling paint around there. These are the hoods. I haven't sprayed these yet, so these will all be sprayed with this here. So just Get that one there, and I'll show you what I'm going to spray with shortly. They've all got to be sprayed, washed down, high pressure cleaned. Got all this in here to do as well. All this has to be washed down. All these walls. We're not doing the lattice work, and we're not doing the floor, but we are doing the front door and the back door and all the verandas and stuff. And the steps. Now these are elderly couple. I'll do a non-slip across the tops there. Anywhere I can do a non-slip to help them, I will. We've got a bird here. He's going to be a bit hard to get rid of. Look at that. I just gurneyed all this around here. What's he got in there? So I've just cleaned all these hoods off here. See some paint starting to come off up there. And it's my little project for the next week.
She sweet like Henny, I deserve a couple Grammys. I'ma go and do the damage. She can't do shit like a savage. Last bitch was a 10, she average. I guess that's just how it happens. Out of jewel and need a napkin. No vacation, but she packing. Keep it humble, never bragging. You won't catch me ever lacking. I see shit you couldn't imagine. Hop in a rave and I go. She getting deadly, I might need a pole. Walk in the store when I buy the stove. Hang with your girl, but she doing the most. Hop in the track and I'm spitting. I told them I do it, so I'm in the soul. They wanna see just how I do what I see them all watching. They taking any notes. Ain't chasing no bitch. I'm running a race for the dollars. I ain't got no time for a hoe. Wake up in the morning. The first thing I do is light up a new blunt and chamois flow. Superstitious, I'm a motherfucking menace like Dennis. I'm seeing some shit that you don't. It's that real shit, I pull up that shit, had me gone. She ain't bout me, she lying, she love me for sure. I'm a lion, I catch you, I rip you apart. Most of the shit I be saying, they don't understand, they can even keep up.
Okay, I'm off. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're going.
Yeah. Huh. Give me a cuddle.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And hope you enjoy your house.
We will.
Yeah.
I can come inside right Nick. Bag it already.
Bug it already. See you, mate.
Legs are bad enough.
Be good. Well, enjoy this rain that's coming, all right? And yeah.
I'll have to mow the bloody lawn before it comes.
Well, you better do it today because it's supposed to rain.
That's what I was doing
Yeah.
around there. I never got to it.
You got all your things?
Yeah, I'm good
Around
now. Yeah.
Big thing around the back.
Yeah, plank. Yeah, got all that. So I'll close the gate for you.
I've got to go up and check for mail.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll leave it open for you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh, and I've got touch-up cans here as well. Touch-up cans you can put in the shed.
Oh, yeah.
So they've got the name of the paint on it and stuff like that. Okay. So I'll just put them here. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Another one bites the dust.